Immerse yourself in the timeless allure of Italy, a dazzling tapestry of history, culture, and natural beauty. Nestled in the heart of southern Europe, Italy is a land of contrast and diversity. From the sun-kissed beaches of its Mediterranean coastline to the snow-capped alpine peaks, Italy's landscapes are as varied as they are enchanting. Steeped in rich history that dates back to the times of the Roman Empire, Italy's cultural heritage is truly unparalleled. It's a country where ancient ruins rub shoulders with Renaissance art, and medieval castles stand sentinel over bustling modern cities. This is a place where world-class art and architecture are not just confined to museums and galleries, but adorn every street corner, every piazza. And let's not forget the delectable Italian cuisine, a gastronomic journey that's as rich and diverse as the country itself, offering everything from rustic, hearty dishes to sophisticated delicacies. Italy, a Mediterranean gem that has been captivating hearts for centuries. Embark on a journey through the eternal city of Rome, a living testament to Italy's grandeur and history. Rome, a city of timelessness, where every cobbled pathway whispers tales of the past. Imagine standing in the heart of the Colosseum, the grand amphitheater that once echoed with the roars of gladiators and the cheers of spectators. Picture its colossal structure, a symbol of the Roman Empire's might and architectural prowess. A short walk away lies the Roman Forum, once the epicenter of Roman public life. The Forum's crumbling ruins, once grand temples, basilicas, and public spaces, still hum with stories of the past, of emperors and citizens, triumphs and tragedies. And then, there's Vatican City, a city-state nestled within Rome. As the spiritual and administrative headquarters of the Roman Catholic Church, it is home to St. Peter's Basilica, the Sistine Chapel, and the Vatican Museums, repositories of sacred art and history. Yet Rome is not just a city of the past. It's a vibrant, living city where the buzz of scooters mingles with the chatter of alfresco diners. It's a city where you can feast on Roman cuisine, a medley of simple, hearty dishes that sing with the flavors of fresh, local ingredients. And as night falls, the city transforms, with its streets and piazzas bathed in a warm, golden glow, creating a sense of timeless romance. Rome, a city where the past and the present coexist in harmony. Experience the magic of Venice, a city that floats on water. This mesmerizing city weaves an intricate tapestry of canals and bridges, creating an enchanting labyrinth that replaces traditional streets. Imagine a city where waterways carry the rhythm of life, where gondolas glide silently through serene canals, and bridges arch gracefully over the water, connecting the ethereal cityscape. Venice is more than just a city, it's a living, breathing piece of art. Its stunning architecture is a testament to centuries of creativity and craftsmanship, from the ornate palaces and churches to the charming, colorful houses that line the canals. But it's not just the physical beauty that captivates. There's an undeniable romantic allure that permeates the air. The gentle lapping of the water, the soft strumming of a gondolier's lute, the whispering wind carrying the scent of the sea. These form the soul-stirring symphony that is Venice. Venice, a city that enchants with its unique charm and magical atmosphere. Step into the heart of the Renaissance in Florence, a city that breathes art and culture. The city is a living museum, its streets lined with architectural masterpieces that have stood the test of time. As you wander through its narrow cobbled lanes, you can't help but marvel at the city's artistic prowess. Let's talk about the iconic Duomo, Florence's most famous landmark. Its terracotta tiled dome is a marvel of engineering, a testament to the ingenuity of the Renaissance architects. The cathedral's intricate marble facade, adorned with statues and reliefs, is a sight to behold. Inside, the frescoes and stained glass windows are a feast for the eyes. Moving on, we come across the Uffizi Gallery, housing one of the world's most important collections of Renaissance art. Here you can stand face to face with masterpieces by Botticelli, Michelangelo, and Leonardo da Vinci. The gallery's vast collection encapsulates the city's influence on art and culture during the Renaissance. Florence wasn't just a hub for visual arts. It also played a significant role in literature, philosophy, and science. It was here that Dante penned his Divine Comedy, and Galileo advanced his astronomical theories. Florence's enduring artistic legacy continues to inspire artists, scholars, and dreamers from around the world. It's a city that, despite its size, rivals the cultural influence of much larger metropolises. Florence, a city that continues to inspire with its artistic heritage. Lose yourself in the picturesque beauty of the Amalfi coast, a slice of paradise nestled in southern Italy. As if painted by a master artist, the Amalfi Coast is a vibrant tableau of lush, terraced vineyards, lemon groves, and colorful cliffside villages that tumble towards the sea. Every twist and turn of the serpentine coastal road reveals a new breathtaking panorama, a symphony of azure, emerald, and pastel hues. The Amalfi Coast is not just a feast for the eyes, but also a treasure trove of experiences for the senses. Feel the warm sun on your skin and the cool sea breeze in your hair. Listen to the lullaby of waves lapping against pebbled beaches and the distant echo of church bells ringing from hilltop towns. Breathe in the tangy scent of the sea mingled with the sweet perfume of blooming bougainvillea. Taste the region's sun-kissed fruits, from zesty lemons to succulent figs, each bursting with flavor. The coastal towns, each with its own unique charm, are a riot of colors. From the sun-drenched streets of Positano, lined with chic boutiques and quaint cafes, to the serene beauty of Ravello, perched high above the sea, offering stunning views that have inspired artists for centuries. The Amalfi Coast's cuisine is as delightful as its landscapes. Freshly caught seafood, locally grown produce, and homemade pasta create a culinary experience that is both simple and sublime. Imagine indulging in a plate of spaghetti alle vongole, savoring the delicate flavors of clams cooked in white wine, garlic, and olive oil, while gazing out at the shimmering sea. The Mediterranean lifestyle here is laid back and leisurely. Days are spent basking in the sun, swimming in the crystal-clear waters, and exploring the winding streets of charming towns. Evenings are for savoring the sunset, dining al fresco, and lingering over a glass of limoncello under a starlit sky. The Amalfi Coast, a breathtakingly beautiful destination that embodies the essence of Italian La Dolce Vita. This is a place where life is not just lived, but celebrated, every moment a testament to the joy of existence. The Amalfi Coast, where every day is a beautiful dream. Italy, a country that enchants with its timeless beauty and rich cultural heritage. Our journey has taken us through the very heart of this Mediterranean gem, each region revealing a new facet of Italy's distinctive charm. We've strolled through Rome, where history stands tall in the Colosseum and whispers tales in the Roman Forum. We've sailed through the romantic canals of Venice, a city that seems to float on dreams. We've marveled at the artistic treasures of Florence, a testament to Italy's world-class art and architecture. We've soaked up the sun on the picturesque Amalfi Coast, where the sea and sky meet in a symphony of blues. Yet, beyond these sights, we've tasted Italy's delectable cuisine, heard the lively hum of its vibrant street life, and felt the warmth of its people. From the historic city of Rome to the romantic canals of Venice, the art-rich Florence, and the picturesque Amalfi Coast, Italy is indeed a celebration of beauty and culture. A journey through Italy is a journey through time, a dance with history, and a feast for the senses.